Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever walked through a beautiful park? A place that's supposed to be an escape into nature, only to find it, well, looking a little less than natural. That's exactly what happened to my friend Mia and me the other day. We went to our favorite local spot, ready to enjoy the sunshine, and we were just shocked. Plastic bottles, wrappers, old bags. It was everywhere. It was honestly pretty heartbreaking to see. We just stood there for a moment, looking at each other, both thinking the same thing. This isn't right. How did we let it get this bad? It really made us stop and think about our impact on the world around us. We sat down on a bench, a clean one we found, and just started talking. It is so easy to forget where all our stuff goes after we're done with it. We toss something in a bin, and it's out of sight, out of mind. But it doesn't just disappear. All that waste has a huge effect on our environment, on the wildlife that calls these places home, and ultimately on us. Mia was saying how she read that so much of the plastic we use only gets used once, and then ends up in landfills or even worse, in our oceans and parks. We talked about how crucial recycling is. It's not just about sorting your trash. It's about giving these materials a second life, reducing the need to pull more resources from our already strained planet. It's about being mindful and making conscious choices every single day, not just when we see a problem right in front of us. The conversation shifted from what was wrong to what we could do about it. It felt a little overwhelming at first. I mean, we're just two people. What difference could we really make? But then Mia said something that really stuck with me. Every big change starts with a small action. She was absolutely right. We couldn't just sit there and complain. We had to do something. So, we decided to create our own action plan right then and there. We didn't have any fancy equipment, just a couple of spare bags we had in our backpacks. We decided to just start. We'd tackle one section of the park at a time. It wasn't about cleaning the entire place in one go. It was about taking that first step. And you know what? It was amazing. As we started picking up the litter, something really cool happened. A man walking his dog saw what we were doing, and he came over to help. He had a few extra bags in his car and joined in. Then, a couple of teenagers who were just hanging out saw us, and they started helping too. It was like a ripple effect. Our small action inspired others to act. We were all working together, laughing and talking, turning a sad sight into a community project. It showed us that people do care. Sometimes they just need a little nudge, a little inspiration to get started. We managed to fill up several bags in just a couple of hours. It wasn't just about picking up trash anymore. It was about connecting with our neighbors and working towards a common goal. By the time we finished, the park looked completely different. It was clean, it was green, and it felt alive again. Looking at the transformation, we felt this incredible sense of accomplishment. We didn't just clean a park. We reclaimed a piece of our community. And this is a feeling that we want to share with all of you. It doesn't take a superhero to make a difference. It just takes someone who cares enough to start. So, here's our challenge to you. Next time you're out, whether it's at a park, a beach, or just walking down your street, take a look around. If you see some litter, pick it up. Organize a small cleanup with your friends or family. These small individual actions, when we all do them together, create a massive wave of positive change. Let's all be part of the solution and work together for a cleaner, greener planet for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message with someone who needs to hear it. See you next time.